the rebel king. Bid for world leadership. How to fix the planet. Marx's principle identifies something that looks very obvious when you study it, and the more you dig into it, the more you realise Marx are on the right lines here. So look at the Marx principle, look it up online, and understand about the spinning bucket and the shape that the water takes inside the bucket. And know that the question is, what is the momentum of the water referencing in the centre of its spin when the bucket stops spinning? The water continues to rotate, holding this shape, and the question is, what is it referencing? How does it know where the centre is anymore? Okay, and it looks like it's referencing the cosmos in some way, and so Marx's principle is around that, and Einstein wrote a paper on it, where it's a variable speed of light, funnily enough, around Marx's principle, and it's correct that it is referencing the cosmos because it references the centre. The centre of the spinning of the water's momentum is the centre of reality, the centre of the time particle, centre of the planet. Well, it should be, but it's currently off centre. The planet's all out of balance. It's all out of whack, man. And so I'm going to put it back into whack with a plan of action. So, because you know within Marx's principle that the water is referencing the centre, where it's spinning from, and then if you stood yourself in the centre and looked out, you'd see the cosmos, because they're the same thing. You're seeing the inside of the time particle when you look out at the cosmos. And so we can tell exactly where we are. We've got these amazingly precise gradations with the way the constellations are set up around us to know exactly where we are. And the only one we need is the North Star. And then the rest is balance around the North Star. Okay? So it's the fine structure constant, 1/137 arc seconds off of North Star. Yep, happy? So we're going to take the Antikythera mechanism and rebuild it and set it spinning, and we're going to place it in the hole that's drilled in the North Pole as deep as we can into the ice, encased in its fabulous gold and iridium shell, right as deep into the ice of the North Pole as we can possibly get it, and then run away and start having fun and speeding the planet up and using the Large Hadron Collider. I'd like to know, physicists, is there a way that we can use angular momentum spinning around the outside of the inside of the collider? I'm picturing particles rotating around the outside and just using the acceleration and getting them spinning as well. So you're trying to replicate all the motions of reality in that photon so you achieve an inertial frame of reference, 0. I think that's the point that you'll then hit the energy, and the collider will the planet will accelerate because the collider is built into the planet will accelerate, and it's an engine that you've built. So I want to know if that's true. Okay? So have a think about that, just in case my ideas suddenly take off. It'd be nice if you've done some homework on this. Yeah, you pulled enough salary. Yeah, I think we've spent enough money on you, physics. If you could do something useful, that would be some homework on that, please. So there you go, there's the plan. World leader bids. I think it's worth a punt. I don't think it'll cost much. And it would be a joy to see the Antikythera mechanism assembled correctly with its double bending moment of light constructed into the spring of the moon. Yeah, you wait and see it. It's going to be a fantastic thing of beauty that will be reset into the centre of the planet. As the planet speeds up and we get the Hadron Collider working, the ice will move to the centre of the planet where it belongs. As the planet accelerates around it and become more round, its journey towards roundness will begin, and everything will start to reset. And we've placed our machine in there that we've rebuilt this time in history, because it's been done before, that's where it's come from. This time in history, we're bringing everything we've got from this civilization. It's a new start, a new beginning, a new engine. That we are in control of the planet. You've done it, science, well done. Now, let's fly. Love rules. Do the work. Choose.